Can you use Ozempic for arthritis? In recent years, medications like Ozempic have revolutionized the treatment of type 2 diabetes and obesity. But could these drugs also be beneficial for people suffering from arthritis? A growing body of evidence suggests there are compelling reasons to consider it as part of a comprehensive approach to managing arthritis. This video will explore the mechanisms of Ozempic, the research supporting its use for arthritis, and practical considerations for integrating it into your treatment plan. So who is Ozempic primarily meant for? Ozempic is a brand name for semaglutide, a GLP-1 receptor agonist originally developed to manage type 2 diabetes. Ozempic helps control blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin secretion, inhibiting glucagon release, and slowing gastric emptying. Additionally, it has been approved for weight management under the brand name Wegovy. These effects are beneficial not only for diabetes but also for weight loss, making Ozempic a multifaceted medication. So, what is the link between obesity, diabetes, and arthritis? Well, obesity and type 2 diabetes are closely linked to arthritis, particularly osteoarthritis, OA, and rheumatoid arthritis, RA. Excess weight places additional stress on joints, leading to the wear and tear characteristic of osteoarthritis. So what are the primary ways obesity and diabetes affect arthritis? This excess weight and joint stress significantly increases the mechanical load on weight-bearing joints, such as the knees and hips, accelerating cartilage breakdown in conditions like OA. Losing weight alleviates joint stress, potentially slowing OA progression and reducing discomfort. Obesity and diabetes also contribute to increased systemic inflammation through adipose tissue, which is fat tissue, that secretes pro-inflammatory cytokines. Managing weight and improving metabolic health can reduce these inflammatory effects and improve symptoms. Insulin resistance, which is common in type 2 diabetes, is linked to increased inflammation and oxidative stress, exacerbating arthritis. So by improving insulin sensitivity, Ozempic can reduce harmful compounds in joints and potentially ease arthritis-related issues. Addressing obesity and metabolic health with medications like Ozempic can reduce overall inflammation, benefiting arthritis management and overall health. Ozempic promotes weight loss, reducing pain and improving mobility, thereby facilitating physical activity and enhancing joint health. So how can Ozempic help with arthritis? Well, studies show that GLP-1 receptor agonists like Ozempic can reduce inflammation markers such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and inflammatory cytokines. By lowering these markers, Ozempic might help mitigate the inflammatory processes driving arthritis symptoms. Reducing body weight decreases the mechanical load on weight-bearing joints like knees and hips, and Ozempic's efficacy in promoting weight loss can significantly improve joint pain and function. By addressing the metabolic and inflammatory pathways contributing to arthritis, Ozempic might not only alleviate symptoms but also slow disease progression. So, what are some practical considerations for using Ozempic in arthritis treatment? First, always discuss with your healthcare provider before starting Ozempic for arthritis. Discuss with your healthcare provider to assess overall health, current medications, and arthritis symptoms. Also, make sure you're managing potential side effects. Common side effects include gastrointestinal issues like nausea and diarrhea. Regular follow-ups with your provider are crucial to manage the risks effectively. So, integrating with other treatments, Ozempic should be a part of comprehensive arthritis management, including physical therapy, exercise, and other medications to enhance the overall outcomes. So, can I take Ozempic for arthritis? While Ozempic is not yet officially approved for treating arthritis, emerging research and clinical experience suggest it may offer significant benefits by reducing inflammation, promoting weight loss, and potentially modifying disease progression. Ozempic could become a valuable addition to your arthritis management toolkit. For more personal advice, make sure you go to your local medical provider. Talk to experts that are providing these cutting-edge treatments and holistic care for a range of health conditions, including arthritis, excess weight, and more.